Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also in this video I'm gonna unbox and review a product. So guys, I got this product from the Flipkart. So let me unbox my product. So product is cell phone. So the product is Infinix 035G. So I'm gonna describe this product briefly. So guys, in the top of the box all the details has been written. So guys, I have selected this rome green color, and coming to its feature, it is of 256 GB. And coming to the camera, the rear camera is of 108 MP OS and 13 MP plus 2 MP. Coming to the front camera, it is of 50 MP. Coming to the display, it is of 6.78 inch with 60-degree curved. And coming to the battery life, it is of 5000 mAh. Coming to the network type, you can use 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G. Coming to the SIM, it's of dual SIM and it's quick charging S. Look at the color guys, it's so nice. It is of rome green color. What I really liked about this cell phone is the slimness and the curvy surface. You can just feel it's very slim and it's fast working too. And inside the box you'll get one handset, one adapter, USB, that is C type charger, one SIM ejector pin, and you'll get 1 year warranty card. And also camera quality is also so good, and you'll get more features over here. And coming to the price, I got this for 22,308 rupees. I bought this product during the sale, so I just suggest you to buy this product during the sale. And you will also get one case cover and one screen guard in the box. And this is the cover, a transparent one. What I really liked about this cell phone is the slimness and the camera quality. That is, the rear camera will get of 108 MP and the front camera will get of 50 MP. And with the box you'll get all like case cover, handset, adapter, USB, that is C type charger and everything. If you buy this, you can read all the things over here because it's already written in the box. And it is like display is of 6.78 inch, so the display will be wide enough. So I'm just checking the camera quality now. You can just look it, it's more saturated and more clear over here. And yeah, there is a option of 0.5x, 1x and 3x too, that is zoom in or zoom out. So guys, if you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. For more videos, do subscribe, and thank you so much.